Hello everyone, welcome to the channel.
Friends, today I will talk about top 5 gardening activities to do during this lockdown period. It will be a great exercise and a stress buster as well for you. It will make your garden neat and beautiful also. So what are you waiting for? Indulge yourself into these gardening activities and make best use of this free time and enjoy gardening. So, the first activity is cutting and pruning. For those who have big gardens and their gardeners are not coming due to lockdown, so your garden really needs your attention. Go grab your pruners and scissors and start pruning creepers and shrubs. Shape them well and prune those creepers whose flowering season is over. Guys, seasonal flowering plants need pruning for heavy flowering in next season. And you can try growing a few plants from their cuttings also. And obviously, your garden will look neat and maintained after cutting and pruning. And for those who don't have gardens, they can do the same in their balcony gardens or terrace gardens with the potted plants. Spend some time in your garden, guys. Next is repotting plants. I'm sure we all have few potted plants which needs immediate repotting or which has been neglected for repotting due to some other priorities. But now we have ample time for it. If your plant has outgrown the pot, then it's time to shift them into bigger pots. Prepare nice potting mix with garden soil, coco peat and compost and gently transfer your plants to the bigger pots and they are gonna love it. Guys, most of the plants grows better in summers and rainy seasons, so go for it. Then comes fertilizing your plants. Mix some compost into soil and mulch it well so that it gets mixed with soil properly. For flowering plants, you can use DAP granules also. For small pots, you can use liquid fertilizers also. There are a variety of liquid fertilizers available online. But if you have cow dung manure, then just soak it in water overnight and strain it out and use the liquid as fertilizer. Guys, March April is the best time to fertilize your aquatic plants, so fertilize them as well. Take few granules of fertilizers, wrap it in some piece of paper and insert it near the roots. It will slowly release the nutrients and there are variety of fertilizers available online for aquatic plants also. Few are in tablets form, few are in liquid and few are granules, and they promote flowering, flower birds. They promote real growth for your aquatic plants during this season, so it's perfect time to fertilize them. Next is prepare seedlings at home. Here I'm using dried beans from my garden to take out seeds from. Then you can use dried chilies also to grow chili plant the same way. Take out the seeds from dried chili and sow them in seedling tray. Use coco peat as a media for preparing seedlings. Make sure to keep it moist before putting them into the tray and sow the seeds, and you will see small seedlings after a couple of days only. Make sure you keep the seedling tray moist all the time. Next is propagate plants from their cuttings. Few plants are easy to grow in water from their cuttings like philodendron, money plant, etc. You can permanently keep these plants in water for their foliage, just keep changing the water. However, this way you can root almost all the plants, and when they develop nice roots, you can transfer them into soil. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you find today's video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.